Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of RealWorldUX. Today, I wanted to cover this topic: user experience of a food packing volunteer work. Okay, let's dive in. I recently had a chance to experience a food packing volunteer work. There are a few points that I can think of that made this a great experience. Number one, very well organized. Here is the user journey that I went through. Number one, my friend invited and signed us up as a team prior to the date.
Number 2, showed up on that day and checked in on site. Number 3, received a cap, stored personal items in a locker. Number 4, got an introduction presentation of the non-profit organization. Number 5, got an instruction on how to enter the site and what to do. Number 6, each team was called one after another. Number 7, when called, I washed hands thoroughly. Number 8, moved on to an assigned station. Number 9, got on-site instruction. Number 10, started packing food with music. Number 11, countdown started and stopped at 2-hour mark. Number 12, did a cleanup based on the instruction. Number 13, left the station, disposed gloves and cap. Number 14, watched a closing presentation with results.
As you can see, everything was clearly explained by the staff, so I understood what I was supposed to do through and every step of the way. Number 2, fun. Food packing process was laid in a game-like teamwork setup. Up to 5 people made up one team. The first person scooped soy and rice and poured those into a funnel.
The second person scooped vegetable and vitamin powder and poured those into the funnel. The third person opened up a plastic food package and placed it right underneath the funnel to receive ingredients. The fourth person weighed the package with filled ingredients. The fifth person sealed the package and put it in a box.
And I actually felt that the entire environment was filled with full of positive energy. I felt good with a sense of accomplishment. Number 3, a clear result. During the closing presentation by the host, we were presented the number of boxes packed, the number of meals packed, how many kids are fed for a year, how much it costs in total. To be able to immediately see how much impact that we are able to generate with our labors was very satisfying, because I could feel that I contributed to the world in a very tangible way. At the end, I felt that I wanted to come back again. Obviously, the non-profit organization who organized this had a clear motivation and intention. They wanted to convert their first-time customers to returning customers. That's why they worked hard to make sure that every step of their customer journey was a fun, easy to understand, and delightful experience. And this is exactly what we want for our customers whenever they use products or services that we are designing, right? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like or subscribe. Feel free to put any comments, questions, or suggestions. If you haven't downloaded my UX resource map or Prototype Resource Map Lite, go ahead and download those from the link below. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.